Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to earn money online through affiliate marketing? In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to create an account on impact.com and get started with affiliate marketing even if you are a complete beginner. First of all, we need to know what is impact.com. Impact.com is a popular affiliate marketing platform where you can partner with major brands like Canva, Adidas, and Walmart. It connects content creators, influencers, and website owners with companies that offer commissions for driving traffic or sale. To get started, go to impact.com, hover over for partners, and click join the marketplace or get started now button. Now pick a plan from here like starter, essentials, pro, enterprise, etc. Then enter your name, email, password, promotion type like content, blog, influencers, etc. Add your website or social media handle. Select your country name and preferred currency. Agree to the terms and click create account. Or you can click the request video button. Now from here click sign up as a partner. Then follow the same process. Like enter your name, email, password, promotion type like content, blog, influencer. You can sign up with your Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Just click on one from here. Click one from here, like Google. You can sign up with your email address like that. Click sign up with email, then enter your first name, last name, and that's it. Or you have already an account, just enter your credentials. Once you are in, it's time to set up your profile. Go to Impact Dashboard, Impact Dashboard, and go to Account section. Then click Settings. From the left sidebar, then click Media Properties. Add a description of how you will promote brands. For example, I promote products via YouTube tutorials, or I have a blog focused on tech reviews. The more detailed and honest you are, the better chance you will get approved by brands. Now, click the brands button. Let's find affiliate programs to join. Here you can search for companies or filter by categories like tech, travel, education, and more. Once you find a brand you like, click apply. Some brands approve instantly, while others manually review your profile. Once approved, go to your partner dashboard, select the brand, and click Get Links. Copy your affiliate link and start sharing it on your blog, then YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you promote. If someone clicks and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Impact also gives you detailed reports to track your performance. You will see clicks, conversions, and how much you have earned. Now, Impact reports. Here's the reports tab. Here's your earning tips. Focus on one niche for better approval rates. Use clear call to actions in your content. Promote products you trust to build. Now let's talk about why Impact.com. Trusted by major brands, Impact.com partners with top-tier companies like Canva, Walmart, and Lenovo, so you get access to legit, high-converting affiliate programs. All in one affiliate dashboard, everything is in one place, tracking, reporting, payouts, like generation, and communication with brands. It's beginner friendly yet powerful for professionals. So that's how you create an account on impact.com and start affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for helpful links and tools to boost your affiliate success. Thanks for watching.